fishermen, today's Thursday, March 12th, 2015. We're over here at Santa Ana River Lake Practice Pond, Mount Lassen truck. Filled with nothing, 100% lightning trout and double-digit lightning trout with bonus super trout. Remember, this weekend we have the big Akuma tournament on Saturday at 6 a.m. Suuperrr! Nice! Okay, fishermen, we're over here at the boat dock now. Mount Lassen truck rolling in. More super lightnings.
Dude, just coming up to say hi. That's right, this guy, say hi. What's happening? Here we go. Oh yeah, now they're getting away. Wakey, wakey.